Hey guys, this is Carrick with Crazy Gaming Crunch, and we are back playing some more Ratchet and Clank. In the last episode, we went ahead and we beat most of we beat most of the Gadgetron home planet, and now we're in a race against some test bots. In order to become a hip young star that Gadgetron would like to sponsor. So, yeah, I'm doing alright this time. I'm working on helping get my pastor's reception ready. My pastor's getting married, and so I'm in charge of the music for the reception. And I'm going to try and do music that everybody would enjoy. The only problem is that the congregation's made up of quite a diverse group of ages. So yeah, it's kind of difficult to get songs that everybody would like, so I'm just having people request their own songs, mainly so that one, I don't choose songs that nobody's gonna like, and two, that yeah, it's kind of personal. It'd be kind of personal for the pastor and his wife, so yeah. Yeah, we're just going through this hoverboard race, destroying robots, the usual. Speaking of which, where are all they? Where are they all? Where all are they? Here. Yeah, I do words good. Okay, I thought you could rank off this. Alright, and I knew I was going to fail this one, so I'll meet you guys whenever I win this. So, alrighty, and here we go.
That was terrific! Now I just needed to say a few words about our hot new boards.
Huh? Now?
Of course. Just look into that camera right over there and say what comes naturally. Rolling!
Hi. This is Ratchet for, Gadgetron hoverboards. And if you,
Yo, dudes, for the freshest boards in the galaxy, check out the new XZ88 from Gadgetron. It's so hot, it's cool.
I think I got the wrong guy. That was something.
hey, I was thinking, do I get a discount on gadgets now?
You have to be with the company for 2 years before the employee discount kicks in. I can, however, let you have this.
The Gadgetron Hologuise is the perfect infiltration device for all our non-robot customers. Simply equip the device and press the circle button. You will instantly be disguised as a sentry bot, preventing detection by all sentry bot security systems. Press the circle button again to wave at fellow sentry bots, who will then deactivate force fields for you. Caution, use of any weapon while disguised will deactivate the Hologuise.
Alrighty, so we now have the Hologuise, and we are back out to the front. So,
I got some great bargains for you today.
So I think now that we've done all that, I think we can head back to the other planet and see if we can finish up what's going on there. For those of you saying, but wait, do you know where the gold bolt is, why don't you go get it? I'm going to save that for the gold bolt episode. So, I will meet you guys back on Core 2. Alrighty, so now that we're back on the regular planet, the other planet, let's go ahead and get this guy to deactivate this shield. So, let's see, where do we go? We want to make sure we don't. Ready? Snap it. Oh no. Yeah, I was gonna say, stop that. That was kind of pissing me off. It wouldn't stop. But I don't want to be a slow-moving robot the entire time, so. Alrighty. So we gotta get over there somehow. Nope. Damn it. Come on. Go right into the exploding barrel. Shimmy, shimmy. Come on, yes.
You will have to destroy those sentry bots. Make sure they do not press that alarm button.
Basically became Solid Snake. But anyway, let's see. We still got quite a bit more to go, and you know what? I think we're gonna end it off here. So next time on Let's Play Ratchet and Clank, we're gonna be finishing Core 2. Since I believe, no, I don't want to play the Infobot. Because I believe we finished up that world. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna finish up this world, and yeah. So if you like this part, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. It's up to you. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.